Next, we are taking general physical properties of alkyl halides. Now, alkyl halides, lower members of alkyl halides are gases, then higher members are liquids, and much higher members are solids. Now, the first lower members, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl chloride, are gases under ordinary conditions. Methyl iodide, which has high molecular weight, and majority of higher members, which also has higher molecular weight, are colorless, pleasant smelling liquids, while the members with still higher molecular weights are colorless solids. So lower members are gases because of weak van der Waals force of attraction. As the molecular weight increases, the van der Waals forces of attraction increases and they become liquid. Still further, with the increase in molecular weight, they become solid. Although they are polar in nature, but they are not sufficiently polar that they can form hydrogen bonds with water, or they can break hydrogen bonds between water molecules. However, they are readily soluble in organic solvents. They are insoluble in water because they can neither form hydrogen bonds with water nor they can break hydrogen bond between water molecules. The chlorides are slightly lighter than water because their molecular weight is less, whereas bromide and iodide being having a higher molecular weight, so they are much heavier than water. For a given halogen, the boiling point increases and density decreases with the increase in molecular weight. The boiling point of alkyl iodide will be highest, then bromide, then chloride, because alkyl iodide will have higher van der Waals force of attraction due to more surface area and due to higher molecular weight. Then bromide and chloride ion will have least molecular weight, least surface area, least van der Waals force of attraction, and lowest boiling point. Among isomeric alkyl halide, primary will have higher boiling point and secondary will have the higher than tertiary because branching leads to less surface area or spherical shape which has minimum surface area, and therefore boiling point is lowest in case of tertiary, and primary has more surface area, therefore they have higher boiling point. 1 chloropropane has got boiling point 46.6 degrees centigrade, whereas 2 chloropropane has 36.5 degrees centigrade because 2 chloropropane is branching, has lower surface area, lower van der Waals force of attraction as compared to 1 chloropropane which is straight chain. Iodide are unstable and they break down into iodine and alkane in the presence of light. That's why they develop brown color. So if the iodides are kept for some time, they will become brown in color because they decompose to iodine, which gets dissolved, imparting brown color to alkyl iodide. We are explaining physical properties more, melting and boiling point. Lower members, as they are gases, so they will be having lower boiling point, and boiling point will keep on increasing with the increase in molecular weight. Here we have one carbon atom, here we have two carbon atom, here we have three carbon atom. So with the increase in carbon chain, boiling point increases because van der Waals force of attraction increases and surface area increases, due to which van der Waals force of attraction increases, hence boiling point. So chloride have lower molecular weight and lower boiling point. Bromide are shown by blue color. They have higher molecular weight, so higher boiling point. Iodide will have highest boiling point because their molecular weight is highest with the same alkyl group. Let's take more example to discuss boiling point. This is 1 bromobutane which is straight chain. Boiling point is 375 Kelvin. It is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br. And here we have 2 bromobutane, CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH3. Since it is branched, therefore it has less surface area. Boiling point is reduced due to less van der Waals force of attraction. This is tertiary butyl bromide or 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. Its boiling point is 346 Kelvin. Why? Because it has minimum surface area due to spherical shape. Minimum surface area means minimum van der Waals force of attraction, hence lower boiling point. So boiling point decreases with the increase in branching. Here we have got three isomers: orthodichlorobenzene, metadichlorobenzene, paradichlorobenzene. Highest boiling point will be of orthodichlorobenzene because it is more polar. Therefore, more van der Waals force of attraction, higher boiling point. Second comes para-dichlorobenzene. It is slightly higher than meta-dichlorobenzene. Although polarity is less, but due to symmetry, its boiling point is slightly higher than meta. In melting point, symmetry is most important. So highest melting point is of para-dichlorobenzene because it fits into crystal lattice more readily as compared to ortho and meta. So highest is of para, second number is ortho, and third will be meta. This is the order of their melting point, which is based on symmetry. Density, now normal propyl chloride or 1-chloropropene has density lowest 0.89 gram per ml because its molecular weight is lowest. Normal propyl bromide has got 1.335 because its molecular weight is higher than chloride, so its density is higher. Iodide of the same chain C3H7I will have highest density because its molecular weight is highest among these. Dichloromethane has got 1.336 gram per ml. Trichloromethane or chloroform has got higher density. Now molecular weight has increased, density has increased. CCl4 has highest density among these dichloro, trichloro and tetrachloro because here molecular weight is higher and density is higher.